Nature of bonding in ionic compounds. Oppositely charged ions form a crystal lattice. Strong electrostatic forces hold the ions in rigid positions. Ionic bonds are non-directional due to spherical ions. Example, sodium chloride. Properties of ionic compounds. Stable solids with high melting points. They are brittle, means break under force. Non-conductive in solid states. Conductive in molten and aqueous state. Solubility and hydration. Ionic compounds are generally soluble in water. Water breaks electrostatic forces and surrounds the ions. This process is called hydration. Hydrated sodium and chloride ions interact with water molecules. Summary. Conclusion. Intermolecular forces are essential to understanding physical behaviors of substances. Hydrogen bonding plays a major role in the unique properties of water. Ionic and covalent bonding explain structure, stability, and conductivity. Ionic compounds in an aqueous solution also conduct electricity because the free ions can now move toward their respective electrodes. Ionic compounds generally react in an aqueous solution. When we mix two solutions of ionic compounds, the positive ions of one compound may react with the negative ions of the other to form a new compound. Covalently bonded elements and compounds elements on the right side of the periodic table, except noble gases, exist as covalent diatomic molecules. Examples: nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine. Weak intermolecular forces leads to low density and boiling points. Bromine is volatile, fuming liquid. Carbon, phosphorus, sulfur are covalent solids, amorphous and crystalline. forms of carbon. Coal is an amorphous carbon used as fuel. Diamond. In diamond, each C atom bonded to four others. Rigid covalent structure. It is hardest substance used in cutting, polishing, drilling. Graphite has layered hexagonal carbon rings. Layer slide is lubricant due to mobile electrons. It is good conductor used in electrodes. Binary covalent compounds, usually gases at room temp, except water. Examples: methane, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen chloride, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Water and hydrogen fluoride are liquids at room temp due to strong intermolecular forces. Acid behavior in water. Covalent compounds can ionize in water, behaving as strong acids.